Hi, this is Golden 5 Consulting's Windows Virtual Desktop demo. Before we move to the demo, we would like to talk about what we have added, what is Windows Virtual Desktop, and where we have hosted it. And of course, what are the different plans which we are offering and what is included in them. Let's take a look. Windows Virtual Desktop is a virtual desktop which is utilizing remote resources from different server for the end user. It is not utilizing their local computer's resources. So if you have a low resource computer, it will still work and give you all the powers to do everything which you require to do for your organization. That's the first and foremost benefit of Windows Virtual Desktop. Going forward, as a corporation, you can configure Windows Virtual Desktop for your corporate network. During the pandemic, we have learned that remote working is very important and critical move for every organization. And Windows Virtual Desktop is one key component in today's remote working life, where Windows Virtual Desktop is not only a desktop, rather it also aligns with the Microsoft Suite, which includes Office 365, Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, Teams calling. It also includes your DLP, Intune, Windows Defender. Overall, it allows you to control, secure, and give you ease of access, ease of working culture. You hire employees and they can bring their own device and use Windows Virtual Desktop. Golden 5 Consulting offers Windows Virtual Desktop in 3 options: basic at $89 per user per month, standard at $109 per user per month, and premium at $139 per user per month. Here in the basic, we have included Windows Virtual Desktop, Microsoft 365 Business Premium Plan, Intune and Endpoint Management, Azure Office 365 Security, which includes data loss prevention, Azure Information Protection, self-service password reset, multi-factor authentication, Windows Defender antivirus, and Device Guard, Endpoint Protection Management, Office 365 ATP. It also includes Microsoft 365 User Adoption. It also covers end-to-end full support from Golden 5. This slide covers all the features which are included and you will receive. This is our standard plan, which comes in $109 per user per month. It includes Windows Virtual Desktop, Microsoft 365 E3 plan, Veeam backup, Intune, Endpoint Protection Management, double key encryption, Azure and Office 365 Security, which also adds Endpoint Protection Management and ATP for Windows. We are also including Content Panda, Microsoft 365 User Adoption Guide, and our 24/7 support. Here is all the descriptions. This is our premium plan, which comes at $139 per user per month. It has few additions to the standard plan. Our premium plan comes with Windows Virtual Desktop, Microsoft 365 E5 plan, which is the topmost plan, Veeam Office 365 backup, Intune Endpoint Management, Microsoft double key encryption, Azure and Office 365 Security, which includes additional cloud app security. The major component which we have added here is Microsoft Teams. In Microsoft Teams, we have also included audio video conferencing and phone system. We have also added domestic calling plan. It also includes Content Panda and Microsoft 365 User Adoption and 24/7 premium support of Golden 5 Consulting. To know more on all the services, here is the next slide. This is Microsoft's best plan and this is our best plan too. Double key encryption, which is included in our standard and premium offering. It blocks Microsoft access to your data. We will give you enabled WVD, which has double key encryption, and you should be able to implement double key encryption right from the day one. Next is Veeam for Office 365 backup, which backs up your email, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Teams data. Veeam backup for Office 365 is again included for a standard and premium plan. If a basic user needs, we can always add on top of their plan. Office 365 Content Panda Help Buddy is also included with standard and premium services. Content Panda is a help buddy which shows all the help, how to guide on the browser level. It is one of the most adopted user guide for browser level services. We have included Microsoft 365 learning pathways in all of our office because we understand for any company it is most important to have the end user adoption. Now we'll switch on to the demo. To use our WVD offering, we recommend using remote desktop app on your computer. It can be installed on Windows laptops or MacBooks. So first and foremost thing is we have to subscribe our WVD. So I click on subscribe. It will open a pop-up which tells me to select any of the login, and if you're doing it for the first time, you will see it all blank. So I'm going to use pooled user 01 for this particular demo. Now I will double click on it and it will give us a simple login if we have not saved the credentials. So this will come for the first time, and once we will save the credentials here, it will be saved forever. We don't have to give the user ID and password here. Now we have logged in, and we will see how does it log in other applications. Most important, you can see that OneDrive, it is logging in. Without OneDrive, nothing's going to work because we have redirected your profile and redirected your profile to Azure, but we have redirected your My Document and the desktop to OneDrive. So any data you're going to save is going to go to OneDrive. We can go to the File Explorer, check the data. We can see there are two folders and two files. We created a fifth file, or the fifth item here, a bitmap image, and now we're going to go and see what is showing up in the OneDrive. In OneDrive, you can see the same files showing up there, which means it's proven that this is the same files which are being copied or actually redirected to OneDrive. Again, checking the desktop as well, I'm going to create a Microsoft project document, and it's just going to be synchronizing. It got a checkbox, which means that's synchronized. Click on the desktop here, it is there. I can also show you Microsoft Teams has logged in by default, and I'm going to open Outlook, so that will also show us that it has logged in. So as you can see, it just works like an Office. You don't have to log in or provide any credential. It has saved all the credentials, and it is working very well as a single sign-on. Now, one more important thing to see is this user, what kind of a configuration we have done. So, however, what I wanted to show you is the version. The first thing is the version. It is a WVD media optimized version. And other thing I would like to show you is how my devices are connected. So you can see my video is showing up, which means my audio and video connected. Let's test a Teams call. So I'm going to call one of my colleague, Annie. So I'm going to call Annie from my team on a video call to show you how does a video call works in our WVD. So I'm calling her, and this is me, and you can see my office background. And hi Annie, this is Prabhat. I'm using the pool user account. I just wanted to record this demo for everyone to see how does our WVD offering works. I can see you. Voila, very good. So we are on the. How do you see my video? Is it looking good, or am I audible?
Yeah, audible, and your video is also good. It's clear.
All right, that's awesome. While we are here, I would like to know what is your experience. You are one of our newest employee, and we know you were in a location which has a lot of flood, which a lot of natural calamities, and it was hard for us to deliver a computer to your home so that you can work. So how did you find using WVD while Were you able to do everything, or what was your experience?
While using WVD, it was quite easy, as in it. I just felt like I was using my laptop, in which I have all access. I could download the applications which are required for work. I could work on it very easily. I could access several softwares which are required for work in it.
So, how was your experience with your WVD in delivering some trainings which you have delivered to us?
While delivering the training from WVD, it was quite awesome because it did not make me feel like I wasn't using the laptop. Because in the WVD, I could share the entire software, I could show the entire functions of the software, I could deliver the training the same way I used to deliver using my laptop. So it was quite clear, and I could deliver each and every part of, show each and every part of the training very clearly.
Awesome. All right, nice talking to you, and you have a nice weekend ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, you too.
All right, folks. So this is how you have seen that this was our experience. This was Annie's experience. She used our WVD environment, deliver, and work throughout the day. We have also added a separate demo for double key encryption. Now, if you're satisfied with the demo, or if you have any question, reach out to our sales email address, and we will get back to you on that. However, if you are very satisfied and you would like to move forward, you can also reach out to the same email address. That's the best way to reach out to us. If you are in rush and you just want it right away, feel free to call us in any of our numbers wherever you are. This is available to work from anywhere. However, this deployment is done in the US cloud. This also shows our capability of deploying WVD. If you are an enterprise and you're looking for a consulting company which can deploy a successful, working, smart, and safe WVD for you, we can be one of your choice. Contact us, and thank you for watching this video.